By the time na makita nyo ang video na ito, I'm sure nababalitaan nyo na ang launch ng newest Toyota in town, the all-new Zenix. Pero ano nga ba ito? Isa ba itong Phoenix? Yan ang alamin natin in this quick look. Tulad ng dati, like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon at pumunta sa philcoche.com or sa aming Facebook page for the latest motoring news and chika. Kotse ba? Philcoche na! O para lang malinaw, ang shoot ng episode na to ay before the launch, so kung may correction, ilalagay na lang namin sa screen ha. Okay? Okay. The new Zenix is basically the third generation of the Innova. Pero dahil ibibenta pa din ang Innova sa atin, Toyota Philippines dropped that first name at tinawag na lang itong Zenix, and it's placed higher than the Innova in the lineup. Unang kailangan nyong malaman about the new Zenix is its new construction. Hindi na kasi ito body-on-frame chassis na similar sa SUVs and ginagamit na format ng Innova since the beginning. The new Zenix is made with a unibody construction kaya asahan nyo na mas maganda na rin ang ride quality nito. Front-wheel drive na rin siya, so asahan nyo na medyo mas maganda na ang third row and cargo space ito. Sana. Folding na ba ang mga upuan sa likod? Tingnan natin. Ngayon, sa powertrain naman tayo. They said it will have a 2-liter gas engine while the upper model gets a hybrid setup with the same 2-liter engine and an electric motor. Yes, magkakaroon na ng hybrid MPV sa wakas ang Toyota to join their crossovers and sedans. In both cases, this is paired to a CVT and sabi ko nga kanina, front-wheel drive layout. In terms of design, iba na ang shape and design ng grille nito. Yung headlights medyo kahawig pa rin nung sa luma, pero syempre, iniba na rin. Ang unique dito ay ang lower front bumper niya dahil sa connected design ng what seems to be DRL housings. Walang ibang sasakyan sa Toyota lineup ang may ganitong design kaya naman distinct ito for the Innova Zenix. So pag-usapan muna natin bakit ibebenta pa rin ang lumang Innova kung nandito na ang latest generation. Ganito kasi yan. Dati di ba may gas variant ang Innova. Now they discontinued that nung 2021 kasi nga hindi naman mabenta. Majority raw ng sales ay talagang sa diesel variants. So kung ihinto nila bigla ang current diesel Innova, dip in sales yun dahil last year, third best-selling overall ang Innova. So bakit di na lang lagyan ng diesel engine ang new Innova? The Innova is an imported model kasi and sa source country, hindi talaga siya available with a diesel engine. Hindi naman kasi pwede na dahil gusto nyo lang, gagawin na nila kagad. Diba? The auto industry doesn't work that way, iho and mga iha. And another reason bakit ibebenta pa rin ang older Innova ay dahil malalaman nyo mamaya the price of this new Toyota Zenix. Now what will you get with the new Zenix? Standard features include LED headlights and fog lights, power folding side mirrors, 10.1-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, automatic climate control, paddle shifters, electronic parking brake with auto brake hold, second row captain seats, powered tailgate, rear parking sensors, rear camera, and USB-C port. If you go for the hybrid model, you'll get additional LED DRL, leather upholstery, 8-way power driver's seat, power reclining captain seats. Most likely, the hybrid model will also have Toyota Safety Sense na may pre-collision system, lane departure warning, dynamic cruise control, and more. As for pricing, Toyota already said the Zenix will start at 1,670,000 pesos for the gas variant and 1,953,000 pesos for the hybrid. Medyo may kamahalan pero tandaan ninyo, hybrid model ito, meaning malaki ang katipiran sa fuel money. Baka nga mas tipid pa sa diesel Itetest natin yan syempre. Going back, the Zenix pricing makes the gas Zenix more affordable than the top-of-the-line diesel Innova, while the hybrid is 164,000 pesos more than the top-trim diesel. Ito ang isa pang reason kung bakit kailangan ibenta pa rin ang diesel variant dahil sa mataas na starting point ng Zenix. But that also means may missing gap sa new generation of Toyota MPVs. Avanza is the most attainable, followed by the Veloz. Although SUV ang positioning nito, base pa rin naman sa Avanza. May malaking gap between the Veloz and Zenix, so hintay tayo if may ilalagay pa na isa pang 7-seater sa space na ito. Plus, the Innova diesel is made in the Philippines, so that's why we have the capability to produce and sell the older model, kahit may new generation Zenix na. So, anong tingin nyo sa bagong Innova? Zenix. Comment nyo na lang sa baba. I'm your host, Stanley Chi, ang inyong senpai ng turbuhan, na nagpapaalala sa inyong lahat na i-follow ko sa mga social media accounts ko. Kumpleto ko niyan. Meron akong sarili kong YouTube channel, youtube.com/StanleyChi. Meron akong Instagram, Facebook, tsaka TikTok. Tapos meron din akong podcast, Underpaid with Stanley Chi, sa Spotify and Apple Podcast. At sana supportan nyo rin yung mga racket ko sa 1PH, sa One News at sa 92.3 Radyo 5 True FM. Dito tayo sa totoo. And syempre, kung gusto nyo makakuha ng ganitong t-shirt, laking manual pero matik wag mahal, pumunta kayo sa linya-linya. So paano ba yan? Kita-kits tayo sa next video dito lang sa Philcoche. Bye-bye! Thanks for watching. For the latest news, reviews, and anything you want to know about cars and car ownership, visit philcoche.com. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Spotify para hindi ka huli sa usapan. Tandaan, kotse ba? Philcoche na!